Every person is a product of countless influences, experiences, upbringing, and even the deep evolutionary instincts buried in our DNA. If someone is quick to anger or carries an air of arrogance, the answer often lies not just in their recent past, but in a history that stretches back thousands, even millions, of years. The weight of personal and collective past. On the surface, a person's behavior is shaped by their individual experiences. How they were raised, the struggles they endured, the lessons they learned. A child who grew up in constant conflict may become an adult who reacts with aggression. Someone who was excessively praised without effort might develop an inflated sense of self. But beyond personal history, there's something deeper at work, the primal instincts carved into humanity over millennia. Survival, the oldest instinct. Long before cities and civilizations, humans lived in the wild, where danger lurked at every turn. The fear of predators, the struggle for food, and the need for shelter wired our ancestors with a relentless drive for self-preservation. This survival instinct still lingers within us, manifesting in modern emotions: fear, anger, pride, even the need for belonging. For example, arrogance may not just be a personality flaw. It could be an exaggerated form of self-defense, a way to assert dominance in a world that once rewarded the strongest. Anger, too, is often a reaction to perceived threats, whether real or imagined, a leftover impulse from a time when aggression meant survival. The herd mentality and the need for belonging. Early humans survived not as lone hunters but as tribes. Isolation meant death, and so the need for connection became hardwired into our psyche. Today, this instinct lives on in our friendships, social circles, and even social media, where the craving for validation is just a modern version of tribal acceptance. Praise, admiration, and recognition fulfill a deep-seated need that once ensured our place in the group. Some seek it through intelligence, others through talent, art, or leadership. The methods differ, but the root desire is the same: to be seen, valued, and secure. The same emotions, different expressions. While all humans share these fundamental emotions, how we express them varies. One person's anger may explode in outbursts, another's may simmer in silence. One individual's need for validation drives them to create, while another seeks it through dominance. The core instincts remain, but their outward forms adapt to our environment and experiences. Understanding this can foster empathy. The arrogant man may be overcompensating for deep insecurity. The angry woman may be carrying unresolved wounds. Even our own reactions, fear, pride, love, are echoes of an ancient past, filtered through the lens of personal history. Conclusion: we are more than our present. To truly understand human behavior, we must look beyond the surface. Our actions are not just reactions to the present, but are shaped by layers of personal and evolutionary history. By recognizing this, we can better navigate our emotions, relate to others, and perhaps even rewrite the parts of our past that no longer serve us. Because in the end, we are not just who we are today. We are the sum of every experience, every lesson, and every survival instinct that brought us here. Be prosperous and share happiness.